That's nice.
I am so thirsty. G'day everyone, my name is Bella and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be, let me check that I don't have my address showing to the world. This is my Cosmetic Capital haul. I have ordered from this website 3 times. We'll have my previous Cosmetic Capital haul in the description down below as well as up here for you guys. Please ensure to subscribe and hit that like button, join the vibe community. If you guys are ready, let's get into it. So let's vibe.
A queen should be a queen, a king should be a king. We on the same page.
So to save on time, I have taken everything out of the packaging. I will include the video now of what everything came. Obviously everything came fantastically packaged. Everything always comes in really good bubble wrap. Obviously you want everything to stay safe. And obviously nothing has broken when everything arrived. And I hate taking off the plastic seals when I'm in a video. Honestly, it cuts down my editing time by like 1,000 because like it takes me half an hour because like these claws and like there's little like plastic things. It's a no-no. So I'm gonna get into my little haul, of course. I will include swatches obviously of the products. So let's get started. So first item that I see, I'm actually like so blown away by this product. This is the Ultra 3 Signature Essentials by, this is Elise Knowles, I'm gonna say. This is just a sun-kissed bronzer. It's just such a stunning, it says effortlessly achieve the illusion of a sun-kissed post-holiday glow with this radiance boosting bronzing powder. Who doesn't want that? I know I do. Okay, next thing that I got were 3 of these are the NYX duochromatic illuminating powders. So my thing with Cosmetic Capital is that they generally just showcase the products. They don't actually showcase a swatch of the product. So when I am looking on the website and I want to see what it would look like in real life, what I do is I actually get the products, I type it into Google and swatches come up. So I'll include the swatches here on what they actually look like. But I am so excited to try these actually on the skin. Obviously my illuminating powder today is like a silvery look, and I tried it using the I Heart Revolution. It's like a blush highlighting palette that I got in a Priceline haul quite recently. I'll put it in the iCards up here if you guys are interested in seeing my Priceline haul. I got these, which I think I'm really interested to see them. So these are the liquid buds, the eye makeup remover. These are one of those ones that you snap and then the like makeup kind of comes out of the product. So I'm so excited to see if these legitimately work. I think for traveling and stuff like that, that would be really, really cool. And these were only like $1.95, so that's really cool. I did grab a bunch of lip products. I grabbed so many lip products. Oh God, excuse me, madam. I grabbed a bunch from these are the NYX Candy Slicks. These is obviously like a collection that they came out with. So I did get 3. I got a cream bee, I got the color Small Please, and I got the color Watermelon Taffy. These colors, when I saw the swatches on, like I was saying before, on Google, these looked the best out of the website. They did have the full collection on the website, so I'm really excited. I haven't actually tried them on yet, so I'm really excited to see how they turn out. They are more of like a gloss, but I've got heaps of like matte products, and sometimes my lips are a bit chapped, and I would love like a little gloss. So I kind of got 3 sort of different shades to sort of hopefully match with my other lipsticks. I got 2 of the NYX Lingerie Shimmers. No, sorry. I take that back. I got 1 shimmer, 1 glitter. I did get this one, which is in clear, and then I got the lingerie glitter in butter. Both of these on the swatches that I saw were amazing. I did pick up another NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. They had pretty much almost like half of the like country collection on there. This is just in Montreal. It is such a stunning color. It's like such a perfect mauve, and I think that it's such a Bella color. And again, it would definitely match with one of the glosses that I got, because I think I'm getting in out of that sort of like super matte phase and going into like a matte and a gloss, or that like sort of like satin finish. Then I kind of went on like, just want to point out they had just restocked NYX, and now I'm looking at my cart and it's like, it's literally all NYX except one thing. I didn't really intend that, but they just did a NYX restock, and like I'm obsessed with NYX. Like it's such a great price point already, and then like all of this stuff was even cheaper. Like how? Anyway, so next I got, I'm so excited for this. I got the NYX Ombre Blush. Are you ready? So whilst it is technically a blush, I would see these as a highlighter. In the swatches, you'll kind of see that they are very like highlighter-esque colors. Again, I went on Google, I saw the swatches, and there is heaps of beautiful peaches and like pinks and stuff that are definitely blushes, but this one was almost like a bronzer illuminating highlighter, so I'm so excited to try that one out. This is just the dark brown / brown from NYX. This is the eyebrow cake powder. This does come with a little wax, a little spoolie, and a little lined angle brush, but I'm actually really interested to see if I like powder. I have always been a pencil girl, so I'd be really interested to see if I actually will make the change into the powders. This was super cheap, and I thought may as well jump on it now that I can try it for cheap. I did pick up one of the NYX HD Studio Photo Concealers. Last time when the Priceline half price sale was on, I'm pretty sure because I order most of it online, because when I go in store they don't have the full collections, or sometimes it sells out really quick. So I was like, oh my god, I'm just gonna put an order online, and of course the color came and it was super fair. So I got one color just a little bit darker, and I'm interested to see, I haven't actually swatched it yet. I'm going to be interested to see if on the actual face if it's a good concealer. Going into the two free products that I got, I did get a Maybelline Hyper Curl. This is waterproof. And then I also got the Face Studio Primer. This is the illuminating primer. You will definitely be seeing this in my upcoming video. Definitely super excited to try this out. Okay, let's dive into this huge one. This is actually from L'Oreal. This is the Blend Artist Infallible Sponge. Now, what I thought was really interesting is this sponge is actually meant for like a contour. Not that I would actually use it for that, but I thought the shape was quite interesting to sort of get into that inner corner. Obviously you could use that for that sort of shape here. So I figured that'd be really cool to try out in a video. So I did grab a NYX eyeshadow base. This is just in pure white. They did have a pearly white, but I thought just getting a pure white would be really good. Then my last 4 products, I did get some shimmers and glitters. So for every single time without fail I drop a product. It's actually really infuriating, not gonna lie. So for shimmers, again, I went onto Google, I typed in the color, I typed in the product, and all of the swatches came up. It was really beneficial to have. So I got a bronzy, however in a swatch it looks amazing. This is number 6 in walnut. And then I got the Shimmer Down pigment. This is in number 2 in platinum. This is like a beautiful pearly white. I did, when I was looking at all of the products, they did have basically the full collection of the shimmers, and there was the foils as well. They did have some glitters, but the glitters sold out really fast because they were like $3.95, $4.95, which is insane because the glitters here in Australia, the NYX products, most of them vary from $14.95 up. Whilst it's a great price point, I personally cannot spend $14.95 on one glitter. So when I saw them, I definitely grabbed them. So the shimmers I saw were a little more unique, I would say, than obviously the foils, because now they have the foils packed into a palette. So if I do see the palette, I might pick it up in the Priceline sale. I always mention, I just want to say a quick side note, I always mention like the half price Priceline sale. If for anyone that doesn't actually know, so the Priceline half price sale is basically, Priceline is like a cosmetic store here in Australia. It is basically like a drugstore. They have extremely fantastic products, well-known brands, like they've got Rimmel, they've got Maybelline, they have NYX, they have Revolution just landed in Australia. They do have a huge range of brands. However, here in Australia, makeup is really expensive. Look, it's not, you know, $68 in a drugstore, but for most Australians, they do wait for the half price Priceline sale. It does come around quarterly. I mean, if you kind of just like wait up and you just kind of keep your eye out for it, it will come sooner than later. But I think when I keep mentioning that, I just wanted to put a side note in. Anyway, moving forward. Then I got 2 glitters. I'm super excited. So these are, I got this one in Dark Side, and then this one is in Dial Star. That's everything from today's haul. I hope you guys really liked it. I love doing hauls. It's such an amazing way to showcase things that I obviously am going to be showcasing in videos, and obviously things that I'm really excited to buy. Until the next video, I hope you guys vibe well. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.